Hello students, how are you? I hope that you will be fine. I am Aditya Vikram Rai from LPM Public School and this school situated in Gola Bazar. Today in class 2nd we are going to solve exercise 5.3. So without wasting our time, come on the topic, and topic is exercise 5.3. Exercise 5.3. Exercise 5.3. Today we will solve this exercise. Okay. So first question is underline, 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 underline the numbers, underline the number, underline the number that is greater in each pair. That is greater in each pair. That is greater in each pair. Okay, and now write the underlined numbers. Now write the underlined numbers. Underline numbers. Now write the underlined numbers from the smallest to the smallest to the greatest. The smallest to the greatest. The smallest to the greatest. Okay. Now the numbers are 510, 510 and 532. Which one is greater? You know that 532 is greater. Okay. In next group, 912 and 946. Which one is greater? 946 is greater. Okay. In next group, 268 and 150. 268 is greater. And in next group, 705 and 745. Which one is greater? 745 is greater. Okay. Now what you have to do, from write the numbers in smallest to the greatest. So in underline number, which one is the smallest? 532, 946, 268 and 748. So 268 is the smallest. So 268, when we arrange the smallest to greatest, first one is 268 and after that there will be 532, 532 and after that there will be 745, 745 and then 946. Because we have to do, and what is saying, underline the number that is greater in each pair, and now write the underlined numbers from the smallest to the greatest. So these are underlined numbers arranged in the smallest to the greatest. Okay, from the numbers in the caterpillar, these numbers are in the caterpillar. These numbers are in the caterpillar. These numbers are in the caterpillar. Okay, these numbers are in the caterpillar. These numbers are in the caterpillar. Okay, so from the numbers in the caterpillar, write a number that has. Write the number that has. Okay, 2 in the hundredths place. First question is 2 in the hundredths place. 2 in the hundred place. In which number 2 is in the hundred place? So 2 is in the 100 place. In 268, 2 is on 100 place. Okay. Next question is question number 2 is 5 in the ones place. 5 in the ones place. 5 in the ones place. In which number 5 is in the ones place? So in 745, 5 is on the 5 is in the ones place. Question number third and question number fourth are. Question number third is 3 in the tens place. 3 in the tens place. 3 in the tens place. In which number 3 is in the tens place? So 5 in 532. 3 is in the tens place. And fourth question is 9 in the hundreds place. 9 in the hundred place. In which number 9 is in the 100 place? So in 946, 9 is in the 100 place. Okay. Now come on the next question. Color the number that are greater than. Question number B. Color the number that are greater than. Numbers that are greater than. Color the number that are greater than. First one is 113. Which number is greater than 113? 351, 96, 401, 100 and 241. What is saying? Color the numbers that are greater than 113. Greater than 113 are 351 and 401. These numbers are greater than 113. These numbers and 241 is also greater than 113. 241 is also greater than 113. Question number second is 708. Okay, the numbers are 78, 807, 738, 999 and 700. Which numbers are greater than 708? So 807 is greater than 708 and 738 is also greater than 708 and 999 is also greater than 708. Okay. Question number third is third question is that is what is saying that 496. The numbers are 500, 497, 601, 96 and 486. Okay, what is saying that is saying that which numbers, okay, color the numbers that are greater than, which numbers are greater than 496. So 500 is greater than 496 and 497 is also greater than 496 and 601 is also greater than 496. Okay, so these numbers are greater than 496. Now come on the next question. Now the next question is question number C. Color the number that has smaller than. Color the number that are greater, that are smaller than, that are smaller than. Color the number that are smaller than. Okay. So the first question is 156. 156. Okay. When we 156, that is 156 divided up to, the numbers are 250 and 56, 100 and 130 and 456. Which one is greater, which one is smaller than 156? So 56 is smaller than 156, 100 is smaller than 156, and 130 is also smaller than 156. Question number second one is, the second one is, question number second is, that is 829. 829. So 829, which numbers? 890, 790, 999, 826, and 89. Sorry, 99. These numbers, which number are smaller than 829? So 790 is smaller than 829. 826 is also smaller than 829, and 99 is also smaller than 829. The next question is, third, that is third, and third one is, that is 580, and the numbers are 508, 770, 590, 50 and 575. Which one is smaller than 580? So 580 is smaller than 580. 590. No. 50 is smaller than 580. And 575 is also smaller than 580. Okay. Now the next question is, that is question number for D is, circle the greater number. Circle the, question number G, circle the greater number. Circle the greater number. Okay. So what we have, circle the greater number. So first one is 9 and 25. Which one is greater? 25 is greater. Okay. In second, the numbers are 48 and 26. 48 and 26. Which one is greater? 48 is greater. In third, the numbers are third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8, 9. In third, the numbers are 343 and 97. 343 is greater. Okay. Then in next fourth, the numbers are 646 and 900. 900 is greater than 646. Okay. And 235 and 238. We know that 238 is greater than 235. The next numbers are 699 and 689 and 689. So 699 is greater than 689. The seventh question is 910 and 970. 970 is greater than 910. Question number 8 is 170 and 110. 117 is greater than 110. Question number 9 is 836 and 910. 910 is greater than 836. Okay, thank you for watching the video. Keep continue it. We will meet in new video with new topic. Bye bye.